Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to install the PUBG mobile on your PC, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your browser, any browser, and simply search for BlueStack. So when you are on bluestack.com, you can find the BlueStack, the best mobile emulator that can help you to play or operate the mobile applications and games. Now simply click on download BlueStack and it will download the setup file. So when you find the setup file has downloaded here, for example, if I simply click on download here, this download button, and you can see it has just started to download .exe file. You have to set up your BlueStack. So when you have downloaded the BlueStack 5 or 10, the BlueStack X, so you have to simply open it. Now you have to wait until it's load. It will actually download the data that it requires. Now when it done downloading, you can find this My Games option. Simply click on it. Now from here you can find lots of mobile games that I used to play on this BlueStack emulator. Now you can simply click on System Apps where you can find Play Store. Now simply click on it and make sure that you have enough space to install the PUBG mobile on your PC. So you can simply search for PUBG mobile. Here you can find it. Here is the PUBG mobile where you will be able to simply click on install button here. So when you are installing this, you can find it is installing. So you have to wait until it's installed and it has installed all the additional data that it requires. Then when it installed, you will be able to operate this game, and you can also set the controller from here by simply click on this keyboard icon here, and from here game controller where you can find the controls editor where you can set up lots of control from here like tap shot, repeated shot, D-tab, D-pad here, aim, pan and shoot, free look, script, more of the swipe, tilt, any of this from here. Also you can find custom here, or you can create a new profile from here. So when you have just downloaded it, for example, you have to do is when you are control, you have to select a space here where you can use this tab shot here, and here you can add any key, for example A. So A here you can find the gear icon here where you can set this here, the coordinate, and the tab key here, and the gamepad also from here. So that's how you can just set your custom key, or it will actually allow you to get a key from here. Now you have to wait until it's loaded. Then when it's downloaded, you will be able to play it, and you can find the default controller on your PUBG mobile. So that's how you can just simply do it, and you can do it full screen by simply click on it, and here is the full screen option. So when you click on it, you can find the full screen just like this, and the ESC, the escape button, will help you to exit from this full screen. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.